Order your copy of the African Ancestry Journal with a complete 2024 calendar. This 121-page journal is to document your African ancestry discoveries. It's a perfect companion for your individual African ancestry research. We have created what is needed for us to be our family historians. The journal pages include writing prompts and spaces to document your DNA results, your testing company, messages to your ancestors, your heritage, your legacy, info about your African DNA cousins as well as your diaspora DNA cousins. There is space to write your GEDmatch kit numbers, DNA beneficiaries, kit managers, and more. It also includes some African proverbs and words of wisdom. You will be intrigued by the author's introduction to her story called The Invisible Artifacts.
The interior pages of this journal have thoughtfully prepared writing prompts with your needs in mind. The flowers on the front cover are hibiscus, which have an ancient connection to West Africa, the Caribbean, and abroad. There is a word globe on the back. All have meanings that are reminiscent of your ancestry. You can purchase this journal at Amazon.com or visit our website at www.dnatestedafricans.org for the purchase options. Be sure to write your true ancestral story and your history. Document the books and resources where you found the truthful answers. It's your birthright and your legacy. Stay tuned for more books in this series about your Native American, Asian, Polynesian, Caribbean, Aboriginal, Irish ancestry and more. We will be adding even more tips to help you on your ancestral journey.